this one's absolutely breaking, is the very first population level study that looked at COVID vaccines and cancer. The very first. Nobody's looked. And so what they did was they used government data of over 300,000 Italians, and they followed them for 30 months. And what did they find? Well, you can only guess. They found 23% increased risk of any type of cancer, 60% increased risk of breast cancer, about 30% increased risk of bladder cancer. They found increased risks of colorectal cancer, leukemia, lymphoma, all sorts of cancers among these people that were injected with mainly Pfizer-BioNTech gene transfer injections. This is very bad, and this corroborates somebody named Ethical Skeptic, who has done analysis on this, found about 100,000 excess cancer deaths since the mRNA shots rolled out. This corroborates all the preclinical data that look in animals, look in test tubes, and see the spike protein does have cancerous effects on the body. The mRNA injections are confirmed now in our study. We confirmed them to suppress tumor suppressor genes, P53 and BRCA. So those genes get shut off. And so that's why we see all of these cancers. All of these cancers now, people are dying of these turbo cancers. Turbo cancer was just defined in the peer-reviewed literature in the Journal of Independent Medicine. These are unusually aggressive, sudden onset cancers in young individuals. Usually they find out they have cancer when it's stage 4 and they die shortly thereafter, and they're treatment resistant, right? So this is a horrible situation. Operation Warp Speed unleashed a turbo cancer epidemic.
Operation Warp Speed unleashed a turbo cancer epidemic.